We left the 2025 Pennsylvania Alliance Family meetup yesterday, and we arrived here in Milan. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it. At Milan, Sandusky Milan RV Park is where we're at here in Ohio. We're headed to Indiana today. We're gonna spend the night in Shipshewana at the Shipshewana Trading RV Park, right next to the big flea market there in Shipshewana. And then tomorrow we will be dropping our rig off at Alliance Manufacturer headquarters there in Elkhart, Indiana. We need to have some work done on it. Hopefully nothing major, but we're gonna have them check a few things out on it. And then we're headed back to Illinois for a couple nights, and then we'll be back in Wisconsin by the weekend. So we'll check in with you when we get to the Shipshewana RV Park. Oh yeah, we stayed here at this park. It's gonna get loud because I'm going by the truck. But we stayed here at this park in October of 2024 last year. Things were kind of closed. Wasn't a whole lot of people here, but I do have a tour coming up on this park. Just haven't gotten it done yet, but this is a great little stay if you're on the turnpike and you need a place to stay. They got a swimming pool, some chests over there. There is a dump station, but we had full hookups. Cute little park. So be on the lookout for that video coming up here shortly. Anyway, we're gonna get on the road, and we'll catch you in Shipshewana. Okay, it's the last leg here. We're at Shipshewana RV Park, right by where the flea market is. The parking area is in the back there. We are hitched up, and we are getting ready to drop our rig off at Alliance to have some work done, get a couple things checked out. So that's really going to conclude our trip here. We had beautiful weather up until we got to Indiana and Ohio, and it's been hot and muggy. So gonna be a hot one trying to transfer some stuff out of the rig and into the truck. So but we'll get it done. We got to transfer the bikes off the back and put them on the back of the truck. But anyway, it's been a fun trip, a great trip, going to the Pennsylvania Family meetup, and looking forward to next year. So building going up. Well, we're here at Alliance dropping off our rig. There she is. Anyway, not sure when we'll get it back, but we're dropping it off early because we were on our way home from Pennsylvania. So it's kind of breezy today, bad hair day. Anyway, we're gonna leave it here, and hopefully everything will turn out okay, and we can come back and pick it up before we take off on our trip. Just waiting on Pete. Okay, today's the day we get to go pick up the fifth wheel at Alliance. We're getting ready to head out. It's September 3rd, I think. So we're heading towards Indiana to get our rig. Petey, are you ready? He's laughing at me. All right, let's go. Let's do this. Let's fight the traffic. Okay, we made it to Alliance. Our rig is behind us. If you can see it, so exciting. But I thought I'd share with you their new building. They're getting at it. All right, we just had to let Chloe out real quick, and we'll be coming and getting it. It's right there. See it? Okay, we got it. Everything turned out good. Had a little issue with the slide, but that's all right. It's nobody's fault. It's just one of those issues, but it's checking stuff out, and we should be getting on the road. Next stop, Elkhart Campground. Okay, we made it to Elkhart, and actually it was yesterday. We're getting ready to pull out. We just spent the night here just at Elkhart Campground just to make sure everything was okay, and everything seems to be good. So we're just hitching up, and we're onward to Illinois to our daughter's house, and then on to Wisconsin for a couple weeks, and then we're headed south for the winter. So yeah, everything is good, and like this campground, some of the sites are kind of tough, kind of small and narrow, but we got a good site this time. So yeah, just doing our final walkthrough, making sure we got everything good. We don't have our bikes with us because we left this at Alliance for almost a month. Well, it got some work done on it. We had a crack by the dining room slide, but it's all good. All right, that's it. Let's just hope everything is good and we get to Illinois safely. We'll catch you later. Oh, there's a big rig next to us that's got a side patio. I think it's a river forest. Sabri. I think it's like the, maybe like the RV Miles model, but it's all black. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Well, this is the first for us. This is not good. I don't know if you can see that. We got a tire that's gone bad. I don't know if we ran something over. I'm gonna go outside and see what's going on, but we are in Hammond, and I don't know if we've crossed this. I think we're in Indiana. I think it's Hammond, Indiana. Almost Illinois, but we'll see. This is the first for us. I'll check in a little bit. Hopefully there's air. City of Hammond, Little Calumet River Trail. Thank goodness for marathon. I guess that's the culprit right there. She's a little low. Luckily there's air here. Tire's a little low. Tire was a little low. Thank goodness it got air.
Better watch that tire right there. And of course the tire went out on the way home. I was going to replace them when I get home.
Well, there's multiple tire shops if you have to have a tire.
Well, about a half hour is all, so we're good to go. Okay, half hour. We're gonna go on down to the Oasis, which is about 10 miles down the interstate. And we will stop and check her out. Hey everyone, I just wanted to cut in here real quick. I never closed out the video. I never took any more footage that day of our flat tire. We did make it back to our daughter's house. Okay, we got all 4 tires replaced on the trailer. I'll throw up some pictures here real quick for you to take a look at. They were actually cracking in between the treads, sorry, in between the treads. The guys at Alliance did tell us about it, and we kind of gambled. We were hoping we would get back to Illinois to our daughters because we knew we were going to get all 4 tires replaced, but didn't quite get there. We had another hour to go, and we didn't quite make it there. So anyway, we got back to our daughters okay. He took off all the tires, and we were lucky that we didn't have another tire go out on us because there was, I guess there was like a bubble or something in there. Pete could explain it better to you than I can, but anyway, we got 4 new tires, and we're good to go on that. And yeah. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you're notified every time we release a new video. And I'm sorry, we're at a very busy campground right now. Lots of things going on here, and I'm like losing track. But I wanted to jump on because I want to get this video upload it tonight and get it upload it to YouTube and get it released for tomorrow. So as always, everyone, thanks for watching and happy camping.